Hello Amazon, I'm doing a review of this stainless steel suzzipaws litter box, and I'm here with my cat Binks, who wants to help me review this litter box. So me and Binks give this 5 out of 5 stars and 5 out of 5 paws because it is so easy to clean. So this litter box has 2 parts. The lower part is stainless steel. You can see it there. The upper part is plastic. So when I'm cleaning this, I just take the top part off. I put the entire stainless steel bottom in a trash bag, and I just shuffle it out and I dump it out. And from there, I use this solution of water and simple green to spray down both parts, the stainless steel bottom and the plastic top, and just wipe them down. This doesn't leave any residue. You could of course take it outside and rinse it out. I do that as well from time to time. But just for a quick clean, that is enough, and it smells really good. And another thing I like about this is that the walls are high, and you can see this kitty. He's a big boy. He's a 13-pound kitty, and he's quite long. But when he gets in here, he has space to turn around, bury his business, and scratch on the side. He loves to scratch on the sides of the litter box, so I like that the walls are high so he can clean his paws. He loves cleaning his paws right here and here too. So I like this little step, and you can see when this litter that I use, which is pine pellet, when they use it, it crumbles. So when they come out of the litter box, they just wipe their paws on here, and they really like it, and it prevents it from tracking on the floor. Even still, I just keep some paper towel underneath this, just in case kitty needs to track along the paper towel too. But another great thing I like about this is that I can put these pads at the bottom, this pine pellet over top, and it's deep enough for my litter system. So if your litter has a lot of volume, like these pellets, there's plenty of room still for your cat to bury their business and use it. So yeah, me and Binks give this 5 out of 5 stars. Thanks. Bye.
this. Yeah.
This does not snap together correctly. It's up on one side, off center there. It's warped or something. It will not go together to where it would actually stay. It just falls right off. So that I probably just won't even use if I keep it, which is doubtful, since the size is completely off too.
The kitty litter inside the box, and it's pretty amazing. And I also love the hook that they send for your scooper. If you're thinking about getting this box, you're really going to enjoy it.
First thing my cats did, new litter box, peed. Look at that. There's no leak through, like it's up there, but it actually does not leak through. Like, and now I need to check to pee. Nothing's running down the back either.